Hey, honors geometry. All right, so today in class we learned about constructing congruent angles using a compass. But I didn't really teach you about why the steps that we use to create congruent angles are actually creating congruent angles. So that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. I've already done steps 1 and 2. Step 1 being construct an angle, and step 2 being construct a ray. So I'm going to jump right in with step 3. I'm opening my compass to any length. It doesn't matter what length I open it to. And I'm putting the pointy end right here at the vertex of the angle. And then I'm just drawing an arc. There we go. So there's a couple things I know. I know that this length from here to there is equal to this length from here to there. So I'm going to call both of those lengths x. And now I haven't changed the width at all on my compass. It's still the same as when I made this arc. And I'm going to go down here to the ray, and I'm going to kind of do the same thing. I'm going to put the pointy end on that end point, and I'm going to make an arc. So I know that this length too, from here to there, must also be x, because remember, I didn't change the width on my compass at all. So something else that we care about, another length that we care about, is the length from this point of intersection to this point of intersection. So I'm going to draw that line in. All right, so we care about that length. I'm going to set this compass so that it matches that length perfectly, just like this, all right? And then without changing the width on the compass, I'm going to bring it down here. So the pointy end is going to meet this point of intersection, and then I'm going to make an arc. Just like that, okay? So if I make a line here between this point of intersection and this point of intersection, I know that it has to be equal to this length up here, from here to here. So both of these lengths I'm going to call y. That length and that length. All right? So the final step in constructing this congruent angle is to make a line that connects this point to this point. So that's what I'm going to do. So we also know what this length is from here to there, because it was created when I made this original arc. So I know that this length is also x. So if you look here, I have two triangles, and I can prove using S, 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 that the two triangles are congruent. So then using CPCTC, I know that this angle is congruent to that angle. So using all of the steps that I just walked us through, I am sure that the two angles that I have constructed are congruent. All right, bye.